Please be seated for the word of thanks.
Thanks to our Lord for His abundant grace and presence among us today. We are truly blessed to have come together to celebrate this significant event as we transition from students to medical technology interns. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our University President, Sister Teresita A. Abastillas, PC. Your unwavering support and leadership have created a nurturing and faith-filled environment that allows us to thrive both academically and spiritually. A special thank you goes to our chapel custodian, Sister Luz Bibinda Revilla DC, and the CVIM team headed by Sister Delia T. Parma DC. Your commitment in organizing this Eucharistic celebration has made it an unforgettable and spiritually enriching experience. We are profoundly grateful to Reverend Father Francis Tortilla, Rector of Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, for leading us in today's beautiful celebration. Your insightful words have inspired us to be of service to others and to do everything with love and humility. To our Dean, Ms. Maria Porcia A. Tolentino, whose support and encouragement have contributed to the success of this event. Your leadership and administrative efforts have been instrumental in guiding us through our studies and ensuring the effective management of our department. A heartfelt thank you to our program chairperson, Sir Luis John Pejo, who is also one of our esteemed professors. Your lessons and quizzes may have brought us to tears and at times, but the invaluable lessons and profound wisdom you imparted have left a lasting impact on us. You have attended to our needs, providing guidance and support whenever we face challenges. Over the past month, your dedication has been particularly evident as you work tirelessly to ensure that all requirements for our internships were met. We would also like to extend our gratitude to our professors who have guided and molded us over the past 3 years. Your knowledge, patience, and dedication to our education have been instrumental in our growth and success. Thank you for believing in us and pushing us to reach our full potential. To the Student Alliance of Medical Technology and their advisor, Sir Reynold Borja, your enthusiasm and hard work in coordinating today's celebration have not gone unnoticed. Thank you for your dedication and for making this event possible. Lastly, but most importantly, we extend our deepest gratitude to the parents. Your unwavering support, hard work, and sacrifices for your children are truly remarkable. Thank you for nurturing our faith, for being our pillars of strength, and for making countless sacrifices to ensure our success. Your love and dedication have been the foundation of our journey, and we are forever grateful. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey. It is a day filled with pride, gratitude, and excitement as we reflect on our past and look forward to the future. The past years have not been easy. We've faced numerous challenges and obstacles, from exhausting examinations to long nights spent reading textbooks and presentations. We've sacrificed sleep, social gatherings, and personal time, all in the pursuit of our dreams. Each one of us has a story of struggle and determination, moments when we doubted ourselves, and times when we thought we couldn't go on. Yet, here we are, standing tall and ready to take on the next chapter of our journey. As we move forward into our internships, we will face new experiences and challenges. We will apply the knowledge and skills we've acquired, learning even more from real-world situations and patient interactions. Our internships will test our abilities, but they will also provide us with invaluable opportunities to grow both professionally and personally. To all my fellow katusok, let us embrace this next phase with enthusiasm and an open mind. Let us support one another, continue to strive for excellence, and remain committed to our shared goal of making a positive impact in the field of medical technology. Thank you and congratulations to all of us. Here's to a future filled with learning, growth, and success as medical technology interns. God bless us all.
Please stand for the final blessing.
Adon June Michael Benosa, MTI.